The Smatree is a tiny $10.99 case that you can buy on Amazon for your GoPro or your DJi Osmo action cameras. The case is water resistant, but it is not waterproof. There is a difference. It can take a little bit of rain on it without damaging anything inside or the outer layer of the case, but it cannot be submerged into water, otherwise it will ruin everything inside and the entire case. After unzipping it, you will see up top there's a zipper for putting your attachments inside of it, like your charger and your charge cable, and the inside has molds for putting your cameras and your other accessories. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry on the go. There are two other sizes of this case, medium and large, which you can also find on Amazon. The small case fits my needs perfectly, and I'm gonna test it out right now. Thank you for watching.